In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Discord stuck on starting. You may have came across an error like this, whereby Discord is not proceeding, it is stuck over here. So let me show you a couple of solutions you can use or you can try. The first one is compatibility. So you have to fix the compatibility if it's on. To turn it off, you just go on the Discord icon, right-click it, go to Properties, then go to Compatibility. Then you have to untick this, run this program in compatibility mode. Just untick it, apply, and OK. If you're still facing the same error, you can try the second solution. Just go on your start icon, type run, then open run system. Then what you have to type in is %ape-data %. Then click OK. Then after you do this, you have to look for the Discord folder. Here it is. Just right-click it, and delete. After you do that, just restart your computer and then try it. These are the easy solutions you can try to fix that error.